So take 2 on
spring rolls, but we're going to use egg roll wrappers because I know they'll work.
And I'm pretty sure that that's what Disney has to use. There's no way that they use those nasty rice things because they were nasty.
Well, they're a lot thinner, which I like.
He's layering them so it just makes it easier to fill.
Oh, that was a genius idea. And the oil's heating up as you hear the snap, crackle, and pop. There's directions. How to fold them.
Smart.
There's also directions back here. Southwest chicken and avocado egg roll. That sounds delicious.
Did you do the curry chicken something on there? Chicken parm egg rolls?
Oh, chicken parmesan roll, curry chicken firecrackers. Yeah, all that's good.
Alright, so we're going to start with the buffalo chicken. You going to put anything inside of it with it? Or just...
I don't know. I don't know this time. Do you want to do blue cheese dressing?
Yeah, I think that was a nice cut the heat kind of thing.
Squirt right from the bottle.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have a squirt cap? That
Yeah, you do.
There we go.
Oh.
Let's see how heavy-handed I can be. Whoa, there we go. That's good.
Perfect. Alright.
So we're going to go over.
Yeah, read the instructions, Mike.
Moisten edges with water. So let's grab a little cup.
Sorry that our house is a little bit more messy. Well, it's actually less messy than normal, but it's a little more messy than we let the videos normally look at.
Moisten.
I think you're supposed to do all the edges.
It's really just not the final countdown. I can make a little. There's one. Let's just do dressing. Actually, no, I like dressing on the top. It's less messy.
Yeah. So, yeah, our house is a little bit of a disaster because Josiah's birthday party was yesterday.
Come on. I don't. Who needs sound effects when you can make your own?
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to wet it. These look a lot better than the last one. Like I kind of want to do one myself now.
We can change positions.
Okay.
There you go.
We got new towels today, and
New towels.
I'm really excited. They're not new bath towels, but they're new kitchen towels.
Guess what? You got new towels. It satisfies, right?
You know what? It does because these ones are like the old ones are in way worse shape than.
Nothing better than good kitchen towels. Don't buy the expensive ones either. Just buy the cheap ones that are nice and.
Yeah, just make sure that they're going to be the ones that actually like.
Yeah, they have to be absorbent because the worst thing is you try to wipe something up with a towel.
Like a tea towel.
That's a lot of meat, chicken.
Well, I don't know how much you put in there.
That's good. Yeah.
Less?
No, it's good. Leave it.
Okay. See, I don't. Clearly, you're the one that makes these. And let's see.
Let's see her drizzle. Faux drizzle.
Faux chisel. Ma.
Blue cheese drizzle.
Blue
Blib, 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 blib. Bleh.
How's that look?
That looks perfect. Now let's watch her rolling skills.
Well, I don't think I put them.
Roll first, kind of tuck it, yeah. Roll.
Roll it a little bit. I like it
Roll.
like that. See, I'm gonna put my
I won't worry about it. But
sticky
that's okay.
butt there. There.
Our son is talking to himself.
I was literally just gonna say this.
Look at that. She made an egg roll.
Look at that. I might even make another one. Guys, I am not the chef in this house by any definition. But I'm getting there. I made dinner recently. What did I make the other day? I made something recently, and you actually thought it was good.
Huh.
Well, you at least said it was good.
I have no idea what this thing is, so
I don't remember.
Could have been that good.
I don't remember.
I don't remember what it was. It probably was good, whatever it was. Anytime someone else cooks and I don't have to is always good.
I literally cannot remember what it was that I made.
Like, I'm easily amused or easily satisfied by food. You need something done and you need me to come over to your house, feed me and I will come over.
You know, I really hope that these are good because the last time was such a disappointment that...
They were horrendous. I'm actually embarrassed we're not even going to show it.
Yes, we are. You just don't think we're good.
Don't show it. It's so bad.
We were just so optimistic last time, too. We were like, yes, we're going to make these spring rolls. You know, they look a little bit weird, but it's fine. And then they looked a lot weird.
Oh, there's still more chicken? I got 6. I got 5. So I'll buy, what, one more? That'd be good.
Oh, shit. Wow.
Make a big fat one.
This is going to be the ugly one.
So the ugly duckling. Holy shnikey. There's enough for 2 more in there.
Well, you said to do one more, so I did one more.
We'll do one big fat one.
Clearly. If these come out good, I'll be so happy.
And it's ready to be. It's like the water stopped bubbling out of the fryer too. You may want to push that meat in.
Well,
Oh, it'll be fine.
I didn't rip it, it's okay.
Perfect. We have 6. That's plenty. 3 for me, 3 for you.
I was just thinking about this.
Mm-hmm.
I think we should make some sweet ones sometime. Okay, just put
You know, just like cream
Cream
cheese and
cheese.
powdered sugar and
cream cheese.
an egg, and then we'll whip it all together and
No,
make a
we'll
little.
do cream cheese. I'm gonna do 5. That's the number I'm feeling. We're gonna do cream cheese, and we're gonna do a little bit of cinnamon sugar, and we're gonna do some Nutella. I'm thinking of cheese on the bottom of these.
You know, cheese. You gonna do schmear? It's plastic cheese. It's like we're not sure if it's yellow mustard or cheese.
Well, we'll find out.
Based off the camera look, it looks very yellow.
And it was
Whoop.
all yellow.
You know what we should buy?
A lot of things.
No, we should go out and buy a Big Mac meal. Okay, hear me out.
Deconstruct it and put it in a spring roll?
No, we should just take the Big Mac. We should just cut it up,
Okay.
and then we'll take the French fries and we'll make Big Mac spring rolls using the French fries and the Big Mac.
Now I think you're thinking about it too much.
Oh, we could do chicken nuggets too.
I want to make those. I found this really cool recipe. Let me know if you guys think this is a cool idea. Found this recipe that was like stuffed chicken nuggets or sauce stuffed chicken nuggets or something like that. So basically, you like take like ground up chicken and you make them into little balls, and then you like stuff them with sauce. And you like fry them like a meatball cut. Like basically you're making like a meatball, but it's a chicken meatball with sauce inside to make it. I don't know. I thought it looked cool. I kind of want to try and make them just because it's so.
I want to watch you make them.
Just because it's so ridiculous, I want to make them.
I want to watch you make them just because it's something that I don't know. I want to see you pull it off.
Okay. Maybe we'll do it. Maybe we'll have some friends over. Who wants to come over and try my
balls of chicken and sauce?
my chicken. Hey.
You're stuffing that bad boy, huh? That's fine.
I'll tell you what. I will make these chicken ones, but I'll use Chick-fil-A sauce. Yeah?
Who doesn't want Chick-fil-A sauce?
I don't know.
If you don't like
Communist.
Chick-fil-A sauce, I don't know if I like you.
Chick-fil-A sauce is so good. Oh man, it's Sunday.
Of course it's Sunday. It's the only time we want Chick-fil-A.
Always. These already... Oh, I didn't realize you had started. These already feel better than the other ones. Like, first of all, they don't feel like they're going to fall out of my hand. And they don't look as disgusting as the other ones did. So, 2 at a time here. I'll put them 1.
Put them on gently.
2.
And slowly lowered into the fryer. I mean, it doesn't be that slow.
You said slowly.
Jiggle the thing. There you go. See how they moved around?
No.
Maybe they're good. Oh, I can see. There they go.
How long are they gonna go in there for, chef?
I don't know, 3-4 minutes.
So I have a serious question for you. I don't want you to laugh at me. I'm being 100% serious on this. When you're talking about the noise that a train makes, and you're doing the sequence of that word, how many do you use?
2.
Like, say it out loud.
Choo choo.
No, the other word before that. How many of those do you say?
Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo.
So you say 4.
Yeah.
That just sounds so weird to me.
Why?
I do 8. Chugga 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 choo choo.
What difference does it make?
I don't know. It's the latest thing on the internet. I figured I'd ask you. Why are those ones? Let's get back to the food here. Why do those ones look a little bit mushier?
Because there's no solid. You got the soft pork inside.
Oh, truth.
See how
Go pork.
they're soft. There's no chunky meat.
So we made a makeshift stand here. Mike's a little short for it, but it'll do. It'll do for now.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
Okay, so what are we gonna start with first?
So these here are the buffalo chicken ones.
Let's try that one first.
I'm just gonna bite it. Yep, well good. Chicken. Cheers.
That's really spot on.
That was good. I mean, I wouldn't say they're spot on, but
But it's spot on where I want it to be. I'm not saying it's spot on for Disney.
I mean, yeah, they're good. They are egg roll wrappers, so I think they puff up a little more, which is totally fine. Spring roll wrappers are a little thinner, but these are delicious.
What I like is that it's cooked.
Yeah, they're not slimy.
No, they were not satisfying.
Our up next is the barbecue pork.
Come on.
She's still gonna eat with the plastic cheese, but I'll wait till she's has it all washed out. But it's good. No, it's nice and crunchy. It's hard. You ready?
I like that. So, there's no way I can eat 6 of these right now. Like, literally, I think this is gonna be it for me.
Oh, I could easily eat 6 of these. But those are hot though. Those are good. I wish something more crunchy inside, like maybe for me, like onions.
I'm gonna agree with you.
Or they're just mush, which is fine. It tastes fine. Like onions. I know you don't like it, but you can go with pickles.
Pickles are so gross now.
Yeah, pickles are delicious.
Oh, by the way, this is the inside of it. Maybe it'll focus. Maybe not.
So the insides are still a little raw on this one. Well, they're not bad. It's not.
It's not the rice paper.
Yeah.
Babe, I cannot even.
What?
I'm not full, but like I'm just not hungry for 6 of these.
Oh, I'm not making 6 of these. I could eat 6 of these. I don't need to eat 6 of these.
Which one do you like better?
I like the buffalo chicken one better, but
Just because of the different.
the
It's
texture
got
better.
the texture. I don't know. They're both good. I can't eat all of these tonight. Will these be good to?
Yeah, it'll be fine. We'll just bake them.
Yeah.
Next time we can bake them for 5 or 6 minutes, and that'll be fine.
So, if you guys want some, actually by the time that this gets uploaded, they'll be gone. But
I think I got the one with all the blue cheese in it. That was a lot of blue cheese. Woo!
I think I got the one without any blue cheese in it.
That was tangy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the
That
one I
kinda
got was the one
cinnamon
that I think I played roulette the wrong one. I think I got the one with no blue cheese
No,
in it.
oh, another bit of blue cheese dressing,
Yeah, it's the one that I made, obviously. Toby, can I help you?
which is fine. This would be good with diced onions and celery in it too. Or even diced carrot would be kind of cool. You could probably pull up diced carrot in there. Or some shredded carrot and some diced celery. This just be good with shredded chicken too. If you're watching this video, one of you, what, 12 dozen, maybe the dozen of you that watch this video? How about you, each one of you gives us, whoever, if you comment with what you would like to see us fry in spring roll wrappers or egg roll wrappers. Something you think is cool, something that could be challenging.
All right. Ready to sign off?
Yep. Cheers.
Have a good night.